Gramps, hurry up now. At 12 o'clock now I have a 1 o'clock appointment. You know why your vaccine?
Oi, no rush me, man. You don't see me a put on my funeral clothes.
Funeral clothes for what?
You think me no know say you want get rid of me? Eh? You know you're sick. Vaccine a kill off people more than corona.
You know me can't deal with you. Just because you don't want to take a vaccine, you're going with all sort of foolishness.
Lily boy, you hear me? Just turn on the TV, they make me catch part of the midday news.
Seriously? News? Me can't believe this. Wait. Guys, this just in. Reports are surfacing that some persons who took the vaccine yesterday are now exhibiting some vicious behavior. Okay. Let's take a look. Gramps? 2 hours later.
Hurry up them is a pilot, sir. Cause before me take that 5G vaccine, me rather fi take me chance as St. Vincent. You know what? Let me off near the volcano over